Hello everyone, I am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is terminal value. It is a small topic of finance related. So let us see the meaning of terminal value. Terminal value is the value of an investment at time of its maturity. This value is decided by considering current value, interest rate and stable growth rate. So here is the investment can be a bond or an asset for an investor, and terminal value. For calculating the terminal value, TV is equal to principal amount divided by 1 plus interest rate raised to time, that is N. So let us see the approaches of terminal value. Terminal value can be done by perpetuity growth model or by exit approach. Let us see the perpetuity growth model. This model assumes that the company will continue its historic business and it generates FCFs as at a steady state. That FCF means cash flow, free cash flow. In this method, terminal value is calculated as terminal value is equal to final projected free cash flow into 1 plus growth, G is for growth, and WACC minus growth, where I already said G is for perpetuity growth rate at which FCF are expected to grow, and WACC means weighted average cost of capital. So this is the formula for calculating the terminal value. So it is simple, nothing hard in this. Exit approach. This approach is the another way of determining terminal value of cash flows by using a multiplier of some income or cash flow measure such as net income, NOPAT, EBITDA. So example is, if you invest $20 and after specific period of time, if you sell this investment for $100, then this is the exit multiple of 5 times. So following is the formula to use it. Terminal value is equal to EBIT DAN into exit multiple. Exit multiple is 5. So wherein terminal year of the projection period. N means the year of projection period. I already said. So here is the conclusion of terminal value. While dealing with terminal value, we should understand it is based on forecasting, so in future there can be fluctuations in real time values which may cause increase and decrease in actual terminal value. Hence, one cannot simply rely on it completely. So terminal value can be changed at any time. So we cannot be dependent on it, and we have to forecast that. So thank you for listening my PPT.